deep into mind and exploring its behavior is indeed a fascinating thing to do. Various psychologists have tried to do so and in turn have discovered some amazing things about mind. They have discovered some tricks and hacks which will make our life easier. So, let's have a look at some easy psychological tricks which we all can implement in our everyday life. If you are talking to someone and the person is trying to avoid answering your question, or if you are not satisfied with their answer, then just take a pause in the conversation while still looking into their eyes. Maintain your eye contact, which will make them feel uncomfortable and they will keep on talking. Maybe they will give you more details or tell the truth if they are lying, thinking that your silence and your constant eye contact are signs that you already know the truth. So, try remaining silent and let the opposite person keep on explaining the things which will probably lead them to tell the truth. If you want to find out if someone is staring or watching you, but you are not really sure about it, then try this simple psychology trick. Just try yawning and then look at that person. If that person is also yawning, then you get that confirmation that the person was really watching you. This is because yawning is highly contagious. Every parent knows the struggle of trying to make their kids eat vegetables. So, instead of just telling them or giving them instructions that today they will have to eat carrot or beetroot, try asking them whether they would like to have 3, 4 or 5 pieces of any vegetable. The number matters. Give them choice so that they can select the number whether they want to eat 4, 5 or 6 pieces of any vegetable. This way, kids will feel that they are being valued, and it will also inculcate a sense of independence in them by selecting their own choice between the numbers. The next trick is called reciprocation. That is, if you want someone to do something for you, then first do something for them without showing any expectation in return. This will create a pressure and force them to pay it back in some way. Another quite famous psychological trick to get your big favors accepted by someone starts with a small request. That is, if you want a big favor from someone, you will probably start with a small step. This is the reason when we visit any shopping mall, there are some people who will offer you free samples of any product or food, because they know once you accept this small offer, you are more likely to buy something big from their store. If you are in a group gathering or a meeting and you think someone is likely to become aggressive towards you, then try sitting next to them. It's very easy to show anger towards someone when they are sitting on the other side or the opposite side of the table. But if they are sitting just next to you, then it makes things harder and more awkward to do so. Another trick is reverse psychology, which is an effective method you can use for making others do or say what you actually want. You simply tell them the exact opposite of what is desired. Sounds tempting, right? For example, this can involve someone saying, "I look bad today, my hairstyle is not good." This will be an attempt to get someone else to say, "That's not true, you're absolutely looking gorgeous today." Always talk to people by using their names. Your name is the most important word in the universe for you. It is the core part of our identity, so hearing it validates our existence, making us feel more positive about the person who said our name. So, have you ever met someone for the second or third time while you don't remember their name? They always remember your name. It makes you feel respected and important. It certainly leaves a good impression on you. If your mood is off, this is the best time to clean your home because our brains have a habit of rewarding our achievements through positive hormones. So, when we clean our house, we feel tired and our brain feels that we have achieved something, which will automatically help us to feel better and good about ourselves. If you are on a diet and you want to eat less food, then take a small plate. Let's say you can take a salad plate. It will trick your brain to see a lot of food on that small plate, and you will be satisfied and convinced that you have finished your meal. Have you tried any of these tricks before? Let me know your thoughts about this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more such informative videos. Thank you for watching my video.